Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my website, Angel Robinson Speaks. I am your girl, the empowering Angel Robinson, and this beautiful one right here is Tiffany. Today, I'm going to help you not only build your business, I'm going to help you build your brand, your family, and your finances. Listen, we're going to do a maintenance cut, because Tiffany already has a beautiful cut, but this particular cut, I'm going to show you as the client grows out, how to get it back intact and still make some money. I'm going to do some upsell on it today. I'm going to teach you guys how to get this back. Tiffany, say hello to my people.
Hi.
Look, hi. After all that hype, you talking about some hi. We having fun here, you guys. Angel Robinson Speaks. We're doing a cut and a color, a maintenance cut, and we're going to do a color refresher. And we're going to use Elabori. Elabori is one of the type of colors that holds on to the cuticle. It does not, and I will repeat, it does not penetrate the cortex. It only sticks to the first layer of the hair, which is the cuticle. You guys are going to learn a lot here. It's three parts of the hair. You have the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. The medulla is the innermost layer. The cuticle is the outermost, and the cortex is the second layer. Everything that needs to be healthy and integrity about the hair is held in the cortex. This color does not penetrate, so you don't have to worry about damage. But because I know I lifted Tiffany hair underneath this color, we're going to use Composure Relaxer. And Composure Relaxer, as you guys already know, is a pH of 13. But the reason why I chose this relaxer for Tiffany is because it has buffers right in the formula that helps not hurt the hair, and it preserves the integrity of hair. So we have Maketi oil and bamboo oil right in the formula, beautiful people. So if you're dealing with a client that has color or any other chemical in the hair, you want to use Composure Relaxer, beautiful people. Maketi oil and bamboo oil. Come on, who doesn't want that? It also is filled with over 500 milligrams of vitamin E, and not only that, it is infused with the mineral silica, the mineral that's responsible for healthy hair growth and the integrity of the scalp. All right, beautiful people. So what you're going to do is you're going to come close, and we're going to dig deep into this cut, this maintenance cut, and this color refresher using Elabori. You guys are going to get a lot. The same things that I am telling you, you want to tell to your client. You want to teach your client. You want your client to understand that you don't only just care about her, you care about the integrity of her hair and her scalp. Remember, the products that I'm using, I protect the scalp and the hair as well. So you guys come close. We're going to get up close and personal with this cut. We're going to dig deep, and I'll see you guys soon. Come close. Step one, we're going to part out Tiffany's hair. And today, like I said, I'm only going to do a hairline relaxer. She doesn't need a relaxer all over. I usually do my relaxers every 6 to 8 weeks, or I take it out a little further depending on the texture of the hair. You guys want to pay attention to your clients. Start treating your clients as individuals. They're not an assembly line. Everybody is different. So what I'm doing now is I'm just looking at Tiffany's face, and I'm doing her parts according to her face shape. I always want to make sure that I compliment my client's face whenever I'm doing a cut. As you guys can see, the part. So it's like a deep U, and I did the U according to her head shape in the back. Guys, I'm going to use the Caliber 380 clippers. I love these things. You guys can follow Caliber at Caliber Beauty on Instagram. These actually come with guards as well, but I'm going to go in and I'm going to use these because I like to use clippers because they texture the hair. And I'm going to part out her hairline because I like to do that lag. And the hair is already very textured from the teeth that's in the clippers. So I'll leave her top separated from her bottom, and I'm going to go in and relax her hairline only. Okay, beautiful people, so this is the part where we're applying the Elabori red. This is Elabori in red, and I'll put the description in the description box. You only have to leave this on for 5 to 8 minutes, and you do this at the shampoo bowl. This is an add-on service. I charge anywhere between $15 to $18 for this service, depending on how much coverage, but this is definitely an add-on service. If you guys want to add something to your service, this will be it. It takes in 5 to 8 minutes. It is a refresher. You guys can call it a color refresher. That's exactly what it does. It only takes 5 to 8 minutes at the shampoo bowl. And as you can see, Mia is massaging that into her hair with the brush. And remember, we did not relax the top. So if you relax the top, do not use the brush. She is using the brush only because the top was not relaxed. So take advantage of that, you guys. Elabori hair color. Look how beautiful and vibrant that is. So we're going to use the infamous Composure Sculpting Whip. And when I mean whip, I mean it's whip dip on some barbecue chips. We're going to use this on Tiffany. And the reason why I chose this one is because this one has built-in amino acids right in the formula. What are amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks of hair. Well, this is the part where you guys need to understand. Waves are not S's. They are intersecting C's. Yep, look at that, you guys. We're gonna zoom in for you guys. Oh, look at that. All right, so we're going under the dryer for about 25 minutes. Back Tiffany's off and under the dryer. And look, I wanted to show you guys that color. Look how vibrant. Go ahead, put your head down for a Tiff. You guys see that? 8 minutes at the shampoo bowl. A upsell, a upsell, a upsell. All right, so now that she's dry, you see this flip up? I don't have to fight that. The hair is going up, so guess what? We dry it flipped up. That's one thing I like about the sculpting whip. It is a memory foam, so it remembers. I'm gonna use Chi Oil Silk Infusion in her hair. All right, beautiful people, I want to introduce my new website called angelrobinsonspeaks.com. You no longer have to travel to me or I have to travel to you. You can catch my product knowledge, tool knowledge, molding techniques, styling techniques, curling techniques, you guys. I'm telling you, all right here on Angel Robinson Speaks. You don't need a flight. You don't need a hotel. You definitely don't need a rent-a-car. All you need is angelrobinsonspeaks.com. Come on, right now, go over to angelrobinsonspeaks.com. Everything is there on one platform. Product knowledge, tool knowledge, molding technique, curling and styling technique, cutting. You guys want me to cut? I'm cutting up on angelrobinsonspeaks.com. See you guys on the website. For one, Chi Oil is a heat protector and I love it for those qualities. We need to protect our hair from the sun, elements, heat. So I'm going to use Chi Oil and I'm going to rub that through Tiffany's hair. If her hair was a little thicker like my other Tiffany, I will use argan oil because boy, Tiffany hair sucks everything dry. this is the finished result of curling Tiffany's hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Understand that you guys are purpose beyond the chair. Understand that, beautiful people. You are purpose beyond the chair. Don't let nobody else tell you differently. But I gotta say it. You know I gotta say it. You are unstoppable, deuces. All right, beautiful people, I want to introduce my new website called angelrobinsonspeaks.com. You no longer have to travel to me or I have to travel to you. You can catch my product knowledge, tool knowledge, molding techniques, styling techniques, curling techniques, you guys. I'm telling you, all right here on Angel Robinson Speaks. You don't need a flight. You don't need a hotel. You definitely don't need a rent-a-car. All you need is angelrobinsonspeaks.com. Come on, right now, go over to angelrobinsonspeaks.com. Everything is there on one platform. Product knowledge, tool knowledge, molding technique, curling and styling technique, cutting. You guys want me to cut? I'm cutting up on angelrobinsonspeaks.com. See you guys on the website.